Hello all. This video is actually directed toward the student who just get enrolled in undergraduate courses to appear for government job examinations such as SSC, CGL, as we all know, and then other exams such as bank PO, bank clerical jobs, and at times other prestigious jobs such as mm, IAS, IPS, IES. For these students, what I have noticed that the students do not actually take part actively in the classes being held. Being absent from the class is another matter, but those who try to attend the class are not serious at times. Guys, there is one thing, like, if you see, I'm not talking of those classes where teachers or where instructors are not motivated to drill some good skills in the students. See what happens. Not all people in all field are alike. As we all know, not all five fingers are alike. Okay, so what happens, no matter for whatever reason you take admission in your graduation, you should actually be focused for learning some new skills. You will definitely find, I'm damn sure about this, you will definitely find some good teachers, some good instructors, some good counselors, or to be specific, some good teachers, like, who can help you achieve certain skills which can definitely help you to appear for exams related to government jobs. For examples, like talking of physics class, at times in physics, for certain problems, for certain questions, for certain queries, you actually need to find certain parameters such as the angle between the two different lines, and the work done for different path. So what happens actually, certain in certain cases, provided you, I actually mean the student take participate actively in such problems, they are motivated enough to follow the classroom study, or they are motivated enough, like, to actively participate in the classroom teaching, then they can help themselves to understand something which will definitely help them in their further career. like uh, see, if you try to solve certain issue or any problem in physics, then those problems will definitely upgrade your reasoning ability or your general aptitude skills. See guys, skills are not subject related or any exams related. Like, we can definitely pursue coaching, but do you really think that those 3 months, 6 months, or at most 1 year, 2 year coaching can help you uh, achieve those skills at your best? Why? No doubt, you can definitely go for those coaching as well, but the studies which are being offered to you, at times those studies actually help you upgrade or sharpen your reasoning ability or skills. Like uh, like these days, uh, many many topics come from your primary or secondary mathematics, and these topics may very well be related to your graduation courses as well. So while studying your graduation or taking your graduation studies very seriously, what can happen, like you can upgrade your skills or your sharpen your reasoning ability, or you can sharpen up your previous studies which you have studied in your like up to 10th grade. So it is my humble request, it's my advice to all of the students who have given time for this video, that please, whatever you are doing, just do sincerely, honestly, and do honestly. Just one thing, just one term, one word. Try to be honest whatever you are pursuing or you are following. Okay guys, goodbye all.